Vaillant serial numbers look a little bit complicated, but let me explain. The first two numbers is either the country it was made or the country the boiler is designed for. The second two are the year, so now we're 2025, so it'll be a 25, and the third pair of numbers will be the week of that year. And as we can see here, week 32 is somewhere in September. And it's as easy as that. Please like and subscribe and enjoy.